banks and banks of humming machinery. I've never seen so many knobs. Here, try that button over there. No. Check that button over there.
Let's take a look at the dazzling features of the new for 1982 Remco Toyota truck. First of all, we have a roof-mounted forward and reverse controls. Easy to use, so you can sit on your bed and control your truck. Additionally, the Remco Toyota truck has permanent four-wheel drive. And these hard rubber triangle tread tires. Well, you may need to have back surgery after driving it, but you won't get stuck and you won't get a flat. No differentials, so you can go straight lines with ease. The Remco Toyota truck also features a composite plastic body and plastic tub-like chassis. As you know, Toyotas are prone to rust, not the Remco. This will never rust. Let's have a look inside. Yes, folks, the Remco Toyota is an EV in 1982. The Ultra feature, jet propulsion drive. Just you wait and see. Obviously, we've got a tiny little motor down in here. Drives these gears here. This is your wheel drive, and this right here, this gear goes down to the impeller to run the jet drive. The only problem I found with this is on the underside here. So, as you can see, 1982 Remco, made in Hong Kong, patent pending. Well, great. So I must have knocked the microphone out of the socket on the camera, so I lost all of this. Basically, the problem is this entire bottom half is glued on, so you can't get access to any of the gearing and whatnot for the drive wheels. And the reason why you need to get to it is, in my case, is the gearing inside of there is loose or worn down. Something's wrong with it. So you can't get any torque out of those wheels. The minute you hit a little bump, it just stops and grinds. But, oh well, such as it is. Now for some action shots. Enjoy!